Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we are working on the abs. These are my top 5 exercises for developing a six-pack without using any equipment. However, you got to keep in mind, in order to actually have visible abs, not just strong ones, you have to get that body fat percentage down. So for guys, it's about 15%, and for women, it's about 10% more than that, 24, 25 or so. So we're going to start with exercise number 5. We're going to start exercise number 1, which is the candlestick. Let's get down on the ground. We got 30-second intervals today on short 10-second breaks. Candlestick, you guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Up and then back down. Up, squeeze, and back down. Up and down. Keep it always under control. Up. Don't rush through these. Up. Your feet do not hit the ground. Up. Squeeze. Let's go. Up. We have 5 seconds left for set number 1, exercise number 1, I can say, of set number 1. 2, 1, and relax for just 10 seconds. All right, 5 seconds. We get ready to go again for exercise number 1. God, I can't speak today. And let's go. Up and down. Don't listen to me, just follow my lead. 1 and 2. Let's go. And back. Up and back, squeeze, always under control. Back, up, down. 2, 1, and relax. Bring the shirt back down, keep this PG, and we're going for set number 3. In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Up and down. Notice how slow I am going. Trying to go basically as slow as I can. Five seconds. 1, and relax. Now we go hands to toes, both hands to both toes, all at once. In 3, 2, no breaks today. 1, let's go. Up, down, reach up, and down. Make it burn. 15 seconds left. Three, 2, 1, relax. I like to sit up a little bit, take the pressure off that core. Take a nice deep breath, and we get ready for set number 2 in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Up. Up. Down. Come on. Up. 10 seconds. Down. Up. There we go. Up. That's the last one. And relax. Once again, I sit up. Catch my breath. This is a good core workout. I feel it already. We're just getting started. 3, 2, 1. And let's go. Squeeze up. 15 seconds left. And that's the last one. Sit up. We're going crunchy frog on this one. If you guys been here before, you know what it is. Ready? Up, out, back. Hold and balance. Back. Pull those knees towards you and let them out. Towards you and out. Keep going. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, relax. Whew. All right, 5 seconds left. Exercise number 3, set number 2. Ready, and let's go. Out, squeeze, out, squeeze, out. Bring it towards you, out. Come on, you guys can do it. Struggle a little bit with me, that's okay. 15 seconds left. Keep it up. 10 seconds. Looking good, feeling even better. Come on. 2, 1, relax. We're over the hump. We're heading towards the finish line. We're more than halfway done. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Back, out, back, out, back, out, back. Come on. Halfway done. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1. All right. Did I say halfway done? I lied. I can't count. You know what? Sometimes it's a little rough for me. Oh, wait, there was halfway done. God, I'm confused today. Sit up. I also can't read. Nice and controlled. And down. Up. Control on the way down. Looking good. Keep it up. 2, 1. Relax for 10 seconds. All right. I'm going to try not to mess these up anymore. Or at least not to mess up the count. The exercise is correct. Just my brain isn't quite working. Let's go. 1. Yeah, so this is exercise number 4 out of 5. So I was correct initially. Up, control, down, control. Up, control, and down, under control. 3, 2, sit up and relax. All right, one more set of sit-ups, guys. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2. Don't have to count, but I am. Hey, come on. 10 seconds. 3, no. Clock's right in front of me. What am I looking at? 2, 1, and there we go. All right, we have V holds left. Do the best that you can on this. I am not very flexible. I'm going to do the best I can to hold these in a V-looking position like this, 30 seconds at a time. I always like including a static hold in my exercises. Fight gravity with me, come on. Legs are dropping and you got to make it 7 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, relax. 2 more sets. Whew. It's not going to be easy. Let's fight gravity, come on. 3, 2, 1, sit back, arms up. If worse comes to worse, put your arms down here. If you still can hold them up there, hold them up there. Keep those legs as straight as possible. Yeah, this is, I know, as straight as possible as I can go. And as high as off the ground as I can go. Doing the best that I can for you. Hopefully you're doing the same. Let's go. 15 seconds left. Hold it, hold it. Keep them off the ground, keep them off the ground. Push 5 seconds, come on. 2, 1, relax. All right, I got one more set, guys. We got this, I got this. I am not dropping those feet to the ground. Neither are you. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Legs up, arms up, sit up, let's go. Keep them out. Don't drop them. Fight it. Come on, 20 seconds left. Fight for height with me, come on. 10 seconds. My workouts, your workouts, we struggle through it together, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now you can relax. Now I can relax. Guys, thank you for joining me today for the After 50 for this no equipment 5 favorite exercise, 6-pack core workout. Remember, keep it in mind that your diet has to be on point. Once again, I'm reminding you, for guys, if you do want to see a little bit of a 6-pack, you do have to drop your body fat percentage to about 15%, and it's about 10% more for women. So women are looking about 25%. For some reason you couldn't do the math, I figured it out for you. Anyway, thanks for joining me today for After 50. My name is Paul. This was our core workout. Don't forget to come out every Monday and every Thursday. If you like this workout, leave a comment down below. Give me a big old like, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.